Hi guys, Jeeva here from Team Koukun. Welcome to my next project, Drew Street in Welland. This is a bungalow, about 1,500 square feet, and let's go check out this next conversion. Welcome inside. We've already started demolition, as you can see. Currently we're in the future living room, and this will be a seating area with a TV here. Right behind me we're going to put a large island here, and the kitchen cabinetry is going to go right there with a fridge and a stove. Walking through here will be our mudroom, laundry room, and with a brand new door to the backyard. So upstairs here we're going to have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, with a separate entrance to the backyard with an allocated area for this main unit. So currently you're standing in the master bedroom. This is going to be a 160 square feet master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. This used to be the old kitchen, which we're going to convert to a bathroom. And here is going to be the walk-in closet. So again, we're in a good neighborhood looking for premium rents, and we're going to get those premium rents by adding in a ensuite bath and a walk-in closet into the master bedroom. Welcome to my future bachelor suite. This is going to be nice and pretty once we're done. We're going to have a 3-piece bathroom, small kitchenette, and it'll be open area here with a door that leads downstairs to a communal area for the laundry. So this side entrance here leads into a sunroom, which we're going to make it a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. But this is pretty much where the downstairs tenants are going to come through. They're going to go downstairs into a landing area, which will be the communal area for the laundry room, and then to the separate units. So coming down the stairs, this is going to be the communal laundry room for the 2 units in the basement. And in here, as you can see, these green lines, we actually got all the lines scoped. So we're going to tear the entire floor out and do brand new plumbing. You can see over here, this plumbing stack is pretty much disintegrated, and because of neglect. And we're going to have to replace everything. Welcome to my 1-bedroom basement unit. In here, there's going to be a bedroom in the back with large windows. We're going to have a 4-piece bathroom here with a kitchenette and a large living area. Here we still have to put 3 new brand new windows, 3x3s for egress windows. So this is the other half of the basement, which we're going to hopefully convert to a 1-bedroom later on in the future. Currently with an RL1 zoning, we're going to be having 3 units. But I am ambitious in getting a zoning change so that we can turn this into a 4-plex. But in here, same story as the other half of the basement. There's gonna be 1 bedroom with a bathroom and small kitchenette. Here we're actually standing in the former site of the old boiler system, which used to be a coal-generated furnace. If you've seen Home Alone 1, what Kevin's afraid of, I had that here. So it's kind of sentimental value when I first purchased this property. So one of the main reasons I purchased this property was because of the lot size. So we're approximately 90 by 220, and the city of Welland actually will allow a garden suite here in the background. So later on I can always build a garden suite back there as long as I get the utilities ran as well. And this tie, you can see the railway tie here, this will separate the backyard for the upstairs unit, and for the other units will be the rest of this backyard here. I'm still currently looking into putting fences in, but we'll circle back once all the construction's done. So one thing I like to do on all my properties is I scope all the drains, and in this case you can see these green lines. This indicates the main sewer line that comes out, and currently we're right on top of the clean out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dig all this old sewer lines out and put in brand new plumbing. And there's going to be brand new water line going from the front of the house all the way to the front. And once all that's done, I'll be able to get a larger water line, brand new sewer systems, and ensure myself that I won't have any future plumbing problems. I bought this property because of the lot and the size of the house, and definitely the area, We're in a neighborhood, and I think because of that, we'll be able to generate great cash flows with a triplex, and with a zoning change, a future 4-plex, and a garden suite in the back. Thanks for visiting, and we'll see you guys when we're all done.
Just completed our Welland investment tour. If you're interested in coming to our next investment tour, there's a link in the comments below. At these tours, we showcase 3 of the projects that our clients are currently working on, and we give a little package for everyone who comes, including the financials of the property, as well as the drawings. So you can see exactly the layout of these projects, and you get to see it in person, ask any questions, and sometimes our clients come out as well to share their perspective. And it's completely free. Sign up now.